My name is Jennifer Vitt, and I'm an event manager here at Conference Planning and Management. I think in Ames we have a great opportunity with Iowa State University here. There's lectures all the time, there's conferences, there's workshops, short courses. Whatever your area of interest, there's probably something at Iowa State. Even if it is Brazilian dancing, you could learn that at Iowa State, and there's a class that you can take. There's actually people that come from all corners of the state that come to that class every week, which I think is fascinating. The most unique thing probably that I have in my office is this bottle of seeds. And so it's got lots of layers of seeds. And this was given to me by the committee of the very first conference I ever did here at Conference Planning and Management. It was an international pollination, so honeybees, plants conference, and they gave me this. So it's always been on my cabinet, just as a reminder of where I started and how difficult that first conference was, and where we can all head with a little bit of time and a little bit of hard work.